Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashmagi, and those of you who are new to my channel, I am a content creator on Instagram and YouTube and like to talk about self-love through my fashion, skincare and lifestyle videos. Today's video is all about the fashion trends in 2021 which I personally love and feel are wearable, which is a lot subjective because we all have a different comfort zone and likings. So these are the trends which I personally love and I'm definitely gonna wear more this year. And I hope you guys will also find these helpful. So let's get started. First is the wide leg pants trouser, which are so in these days and are viral all over the internet. I personally feel these are the most breathable bottoms we can ever have because this is the happiest news for me. I avoid wearing skinny jeans and all those tight leggings. So these are the most breathable and looks very classic if styled in a proper manner. I personally like to wear these my crop tops and tank tops because these are mostly high waist and have a very flowy look to your outfit. So these are a great addition to your wardrobe and I feel these are never gonna go out. These are evergreen. We used to watch, like we used to see this in the 90s and black and white movies all about the fashion, and these were there and are back. So I'm the happiest with this news. Now coming to the next, which is tank tops, and all the brands H&M, Zara, all the online shopping portals like Urbanic have great collection for these. And the best part is these are so affordable and are available in so much variety of colors and patterns, so you can add so many variety in your closet. And I feel these can be styled up with your open shirts and can be wear as a blouse with a sari. So these have like multiple usage if styled in a proper manner. And moreover, I feel these look so cute with your Indian and modern outfits. And coming to the next, which is the third trend and my personal favorite, which is halter neck tops. And I feel there is something classic about these necks which makes you look structured and polished. And someone who like to embrace their shoulders, it just look amazing. And I feel I can wear these with open shirts and sheer tops, which makes it more wearable for someone who does not like to show more skin. So the next, which is the handmade accessory trend, and I am completely in love with this trends. Fashion influencers like Komal, Masumniwala, they show a lot of handmade jewelry through their content, and I feel these are personally my favorite because I am someone who avoid putting heavy jewelries, and especially for the earrings, I want to put something which is lightweight and I can carry throughout the day. So these handmade earrings does the perfect job and look so traditional and graceful. And the best part is these can be worn with your traditional outfits and western outfits and it looks so good. Currently I'm wearing one handmade earrings and I'm in love with these. Coming to the next fashion trend, which is the sheer tops and shirts, which look so beautiful, and I feel these make your outfits look more bold and can be worn in a day or night outfit. So that's about the sheer tops, and get these added in your wardrobe. I personally feel I have to and I'm in love with both of them. And the next, which is the sixth fashion trend and is all over the Instagram reels, which is midriff flossing. And I feel this is an amazing trend for someone who likes to embrace their waist. It can be a top or a bottom with something crossing on your waist, and it looks so amazing if styled with pants, wide leg pants and dhotis. There are so many brands which are offering code set with the midriff flossing, and it looks so amazing. And you don't have to buy everything to jump on a trend. You can actually do this trend using your existing top which has a side note, and it looks so good. And coming to the last but not the least, which is the center knot tops, and I feel these look so pretty. These are something which are inspired by the 90s and have that classy and smart look which still looks so good. And I think you can pair it with your modern outfits like with a pant or a skirt. Also can use it as a blouse with a sari or even a lehenga. And this is it about the fashion trends, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. And if there's any fashion trend you are in love with, please do share in the comments below. I would love to know about. And thank you so much for the support, and I'll be back with more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. More love to you guys, and I'll be back soon with more content. Bye.